Assalamu alaikum. Dear students and viewers, welcome to our online class of Shokipur Pilot Girls High School, Class 9, Subject English, Second Paper. Hi, I am Arman Khan, Assistant Teacher in English. In the previous class, I had discussed changing sentence, degree, one of the parts of changing sentence, how to change positive to superlative. Today, I am going to discuss how to change comparative to positive. Today our topic is changing sentence, degree, one of the parts of changing sentence, comparative to positive. Comparative to positive. Can you remember what are the features of comparative degree and positive degree? Okay, come to the point. If the comparative degree belongs to then any other, suppose Rupa is happier than any other girl in our class. If you want to change this sentence into positive degree, you have to write at first no other, the features of positive degree, instead of then any other. No other. Then you have to write after then any other up to the last, girl in our class. Girl in our class. Then you have to write verb after subject is. After that you have to write the features of positive degree su or s. Then you have to change the adjective from comparative to positive form, happy. The positive form of happier is happy. Then you have to write another s, the features of positive degree. Then you have to write the first noun or pronoun, Rupa. Please listen to me carefully. If you want to change comparative to positive and this sentence belongs to then any other, at first you have to write no other instead of then any other. Then you have to write after then any other up to the last of the sentence, girl in our class. No other girl in our class. Then you have to write verb after subject is. Then you have to write su or s, which is the feature of positive degree, s. Then you have to change adjective into positive form, happy. Then you have to write another s, which is the another form of positive degree. Then you have to write first noun pronoun, Rupa. Is it clear to you? Okay. Come to the another rule. If the comparative degree belongs to then most other. Dhaka is bigger than most other cities in Bangladesh. Dhaka is bigger than most other cities in Bangladesh. What is the difference between the two examples? Here the features then most other, but here was then any other. If you want to change this sentence into positive degree, at first you have to write very few instead of then most other. Very few Then you have to write cities in Bangladesh. Cities in Bangladesh. Like the example, Bangladesh. Then any other. Then you have to change the verb into plural form because very few is the plural form, but here Dhaka is the singular form. So verb was singular, but very few is the plural form. So verb will be plural form. What is the plural form of verb is? Are is the plural form of verb is. Then you have to write so or as, which is the feature of positive degree. So then you have to change this adjective into positive form, big. Then you have to write another as. After that you have to write the first noun pronoun, Dhaka. Now is it clear to you? You have to remember, if this comparative degree belongs to then any other, the positive degree will be start no other. If the comparative degree belongs to then most other, the positive degree starts with very few and the verb will be plural form. Only this is the difference between the two example. Okay, come to the another rule. Runa is more beautiful than Kona. Here is the feature of compatibility only then, and the adjective is more syllable, that means polysyllable. If you want to change this sentence into comparative to positive, here B2B is trisyllable. If you want to change this sentence into comparative, subject will not be changed. You have to write Runa, then you have to write verb is. If you want to change this, if the adjective is one or more syllable, you have to change. If this sentence is negative, the positive degree will be affirmative, and if this comparative degree is affirmative, the positive degree will be negative. So instead of more beautiful, you have to write not as, because this sentence is affirmative, so it will be negative. Then you have to write the positive form of adjective, beautiful. Then you have to change the form features of positive degree as instead of then. Then you have to write the last noun pronoun, Kona. You have to remember that if the positive comparative degree belongs to only then and the adjective is more than one syllable, more than monosyllable, then you have to change in this way. Like at first you have to write the subject and verb, and if this sentence is affirmative, the positive degree will be negative, and if this sentence is negative, the positive degree will be affirmative. So we have to write not as after verb. Then you have to write the positive form of adjective. After that you have to write as instead of then, and the last one you have to write the last noun pronoun. Okay, But if the syllable is only one, that means monosyllable. Suppose he is wiser than Johnny. If this sentence adjective is only one, or that means monosyllable, and the features of comparative degree only, then if you want to change this sentence into positive, at first you have to write the last noun pronoun Johnny. Then you have to write verb is. Here is the sentence is negative, affirmative, so it will be negative. The negative form is not as. You have to use not as. Then you have to change the adjective into positive form, wise. Then you have to write another as instead of then. Then you have to write the first noun pronoun he. What is the difference between the two examples? Here the adjective was more than monosyllable, that means di or trisyllable or polysyllable it may be. But if this adjective only monosyllable, then you have to change in this way, and if the syllable is more than monosyllable, then you have to change in this way into positive degree. That means now subject and verb will not be changed. Here the subject will be changed. Okay. You have to try at your home, heart and soul, and practice more and more. Try to save from coronavirus and stay at home. Goodbye.